How to create YouTube Shorts that actually get views. Want to get views on YouTube Shorts? Then stop scrolling, because in the next 60 seconds, I'll show you exactly how to create shorts that people actually want to watch. Part 1. Hook them in the first 2 seconds. You only get 2 seconds to grab attention. Start with something shocking, funny, or super relatable. For example, "Stop making this mistake in your videos," or "Here's how I gained 10,000 views overnight." Part 2. Keep it fast-paced. Cut the fluff. Every second must add value. Use quick cuts, zooms, text overlays, and transitions to keep things moving fast. Boring equals skipped. Part 3. Add value or solve a problem. Teach something. Entertain. Inspire. The best shorts either solve a problem fast or make people feel something. Example: here's how to remove background noise from your videos, for free. Part 4. Use captions and sound. 85% of people watch without sound. Add bold, readable captions. Also, trending sounds can boost reach. Use relevant ones from the Shorts library. Part 5. Strong call to action, CTA. End with a punchy CTA. Like, follow for more YouTube hacks. Or, comment, Shorts, if you want Part 2. Engagement boosts reach. Bonus, optimize your title, hashtags, and thumbnail. Use relevant keywords in your title. Add 2 to 3 strong hashtags like hashtag YouTube Shorts, hashtag content tips, hashtag grow on YouTube. And yes, even shorts get a thumbnail on desktop, so make sure it's clean and catchy. Example structure you can use. 1. Hook. You're uploading shorts the wrong way. 2. Problem. Here's why nobody's watching. 3. Solution. Add a hook, value, and call to action. 4. CTA. Follow me to grow your channel fast. Finally, creating shorts isn't just about posting anything. It's about grabbing attention, delivering value, and encouraging engagement. Follow these steps, and your views will start climbing fast. Subscribe, like, comment a video. Take care. See you in the next video.